Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you are. This is Fockless TV. My name is Franco. So, if in case you've not subscribed, you need to subscribe, man. You subscribe to this channel because this is where all the trending story, basically, I say, you can't say it here. Pimping, what's the pin? Saliman, on the pundit holder, on the winning the entertainment pundit of the year for RTP, or the winner pundit entertainment also there. Focus Media was the last year. I took back the comedian, no, and I said winning from Ashanti Radio. But we there, Saliman, RTP, Saliman, winning or say. I took to be a man at Shatta Wale. Just Shatta Wale, if you are here and fighting with men, tell you when you me, your eye no open. Maybe we do not choose to see or say. Oh, I took to be a man at Shatta Wale. Say also was car. You can't be in BET. You can't even be on BET. Because the traveler, Black Sheep doesn't say I could be on BET. No, you can't be there. You are here saying you have money, have money. What money do you have? You don't have any. You don't have foco. Shatta Wale, you don't have foco. You don't have anything. But Salman can never America. Shatta Wale is a broke ass musician who can only afford to perform for Nima boys and girls. Salman spit fire on Shatta Wale. On Shatta Wale. What to be a man? Remember video the natural short of self-acclaimed dancehall king Shatta Wale for bragging about his wealth. I say dancehall king. Salman said dancehall king. One about who made you a dancehall king? You Shatta Wale are not a dancehall king. Yeah, you are not a dancehall king. Forget it. And I'm a dancehall king. Self-acclaimed. You are a self-acclaimed dancehall king. According to Salman, during a panel discussion, Shatta Wale is an empty barrel who just make it unnecessary. I say. Bibi papa bia ni Shatta Wale tiri. Salman said bibi nyansa pa ni nyansa na ebi ni Shatta Wale tiri back. Don't man so baba shi dem da. I mean you. I said the Shatta Wale man. That not I said connect album no if na go do. Aya the fans na streaming. What say about no radio so am na hit. Salman said what say about radio so am na hit. Kasasa. I said kasasa no so baba shi dem da no be kan. Listen. I say empty barrel make the most noise. I say empty barrel. Also what says akode ADD. What is so more ADD? And no one want to need them out. It is the song they are doing. I say no one want to need them out and they kasa mo. Abo connect abo say I say some flex and sorry on am station by station. Part of promo. I don't know why artist no. Unko run. Unko promote them. Now so that did now so an animal. It's all about attack in another one. So I can say, I Sarkodie is okay, Sarkodie is nice and it's good. And to work for everything that so no man attack. Also, I know about attack on Saliman. Or see, you don't have foco who needs to be at two. She accused Shatta Wale of being a broke ass man who only books cheap shows. Or see, it's only cheap shows. Or see, Shatta Wale enkobo show ma abrofunda. I say Shatta Wale enkobo said here Kwaku the Traveler, Black Sheriff, Stone Boy, ebo shows ma abrofu ebesa TV freno. I say can show Shatta Wale akoba abrofu jiremda. Unima, if also bring your comment. Bring your comment. Also say Frank, I am monitoring your. Also Frank, say it for me. Frank, I'm monitoring. Salman said, Frank, say it for me. I'm monitoring, and I'll fire them with their comments. I say you should tell one show Shatta Wale akoba abrofu nkwa ntimuda. Black Sheriff Bobby, Stone Boy Bobby, Sako de Moon, Bomber Profosa, and the Gede. Shatta Wale come by Akobusu Ama Profosa. She accused Shatta Wale of being a broke ass man who only books cheap shows. Salman, however, Shatta Wale could only afford to perform for Nima boys and girls with his squares. Or say, Shatta Wale going to be performing my Nima boys and girls. Or to be performed by Papa Biada. Say BT. Say one I was Papa Bia would say didn't want. I say if I say mention. I say my mention. I say Bia don't do mention it. Sally compared him to Black Sheriff. She applauded Black Sheriff of making it all the way to the BET. That's why being an entertainment industry within a short period. I say Black Sheriff by how many years? Black Sheriff by how many years? As Black Sheriff I could do BET platform so the award and how many years does Shatta Wale buy? 20 years. And then why people outside? So they are no bragging, no, they attempt to have money, and I have money, and I have money. You should come and tell us. Shatta Wale should come and tell us. International project Ben or no Wakoye. International stage Ben where did I so perform that? Okay, international stage where did I perform? Now see Black Sheriff, no Germany. No, be it platform so London, you see Nancy London, or your fashion show, Black Sheriff. Also, you work as a and I have money, and I have money, and I have money, no, I'm born and I have money, and I'm fucking, don't compare me. I said, that's all you know. I said, that's all you know. I'm going to play the audio there, you listen. That's all you know. It is wrong. You don't have to be going up and down insulting people. That's all you know about Israel. Let your works. I say my own no. I say connect album. Come back who ahiti. I Ghana you born rough of. I say come back connect album me abaya. Some friends they interview me. Come back who ahiti. Salman say come back who Shatta Wale ahiti. The bia now they are now attacking for ade. And ma now the matter. How can you come and insult Nanaba Namwa for saying say Sako is a family, but Shatta Wale is so good, but just that Shatta Wale is controversial, it's too controversial. It's not been that. Call it hair stupid. Always attacking women. Why? All you know to do is just because social media and hype or social media or hype in United social media. So without social media, you don't get any chat of. You go to audio, my Tiba, then will continue from you. Let me go and play the audio there. Listen. Listen to the audio. Listen.
Broke ass musician, this is Shatta Wale. No, they are busy counting money. About Shatta Wale pebo shoes. Hey, what shoes why? Wako England no koda no wako community any oriented community akobo show idea. Shatta Wale so be na bro ni biaba. We cannot go to the tangent or no person on no, but me no, I will not go to the level and no. Maybe I will attack what you do as a musician. You claim you have money, but what's in a way? Ability to be Kobe. Could a traveler, travel, see and win your nomination. And I can bet you say they put their things right or bet you put no perform you show this. What's in a 1 hour yamba? Because of the say I catch us and I wouldn't now what the car show now Benna boy a course be. What now catch say who pay Ellen DeGeneres show ain't number one and found coso. Who was the car can one ever found go? Me artist na mutina hano. Me no me kosuku e fam be please mu. Share. I said I didn't know something kosuku na nyakopo ama ma adwene. E wo me fankasa. Na me di be please artist o tena Ghana ha. Onu wonya no $120,000 ne o dwena ne sa na o de be kosho na busia. Are you kidding me? If you want me to talk some for you, plug me. Pay me just like your co-equals.
Or say if you want him to talk about you in a more professional way, you need to pay him here because you pay your manager. So if you want him to come and sit there as a entertainment pundit and be talking good about you, no a PR job more. You see that let's permit you to work. See, there are sometimes you do PR job too, you need to be sorted out. But you want to defend it. Okay, listen, it is not for you as a pundit to come and defend an artist. No. Pundit there, the whole dream say a year because you have instincts and your brains are working, like she just said. It's you say it as it is. But it is the PR and the manager of the team who can do the corrections, who can do the damage control, call it damage control. I'm going to so as some kind of man, TSC said they are and this is before you know. Now the mechanism of so said kind of man, TSC, but no person to see and I'm a see. And so that PR job is not for her to do for Shatta Wale. If Shatta Wale wants her to do that PR job, then she needs to come and pay her. So we are make a sacrana man can say yeah, and answer Metiano Krana, correct it. The man is shooting the people. But so person no man go school and find go to school fees. No man the be out cancer phobia not be support that you won't do that. That she will never and never do that. She will never do today, she will never do tomorrow, and she will never do tomorrow next. It is Sammy Flesh and your PR work to do that for you, but not or not. Me pacho, what do you saying? Do you think I've seen a comment? Let me read a comment here. One comment says Nima oriented community saying, you know, Saliman said Shatta Wale performs on Nima community in London in other places, or more UK or more show or UK or back UK apart from the Ghana Music Awards UK or boy. Or Uncle Boshu, he had another show which he cancelled, and I made a story here. He cancelled that show, and I'm the casting no, listen, shows cancellation is everywhere in the world. There's no artist in the world that young cancer the shoulder. I said this somewhere. And now, or kind of ask one Nima community gentleman, I said, Mary Jata. I say Nima oriented community saying, Sally, we the Nima natives no go Greek for you this year. We need an apology. Nima oriented community saying, Sally, we the Nima natives no go agree for you this year. Oh, we need an apology. The Nima guys there to say no, Charlie. So Shatta Wale UK Nima community say, oh, UK no performing album. Now, Nima guys is challenge them to no agree for no agree make come to that thing and go away. No. That's all the power match for that comment. Listen, let's go listen to to the audio again and come back. Let's go. I say when it's sweet, you play it once or twice. It's not sweet for me, but it's sweet for you to know what is happening. Like artists be some Nima artists, no be any special artists be way you guys full up. So let's once and last once.
Broke ass musician, this is Shatta Wale. No, they are busy counting money. But Shatta Wale pebo shoes. How shows why? Wako England no koda no ako community Nima oriented community akobo show area. Shatta Wale show be na broni biaba. We cannot go to the tangent or no person on but me no, I will not go to the level and I will attack what you do as a musician. You claim you have money, but what's in a way? Be it to be in Kobe. Could the traveler travel and win your nomination. And I can bet you say they put their things right or bet you put no perform will show this. What's in a 1 hour yamba? Because of the say I catch us and I wouldn't. Now what the car message show now, Benna boy a course will be. What's now all catch say, Upe Ellen DeGeneres show, 18 1 and found Cosso. Who was the car and 1 ever found go? Me artist na mutina hano. Me no, me kosuku, ever be pleasing you. Share. At the same time, I was in kosuku, not Nakupama margin, I was some in Fankasa. Now me be pleasing artist or Tina Ghana on $120,000. No ordinary son or the question of Bushia. Are you kidding me? If you want me to talk some for you, plug me, pay me just like your co-equals.
So that's from Saliban, the pundit of the year for entertainment on Eka Nigerian on Ajiman Brempe show. So this is Focus TV. I've told you, listen. Me, my show, this show is to promote creatives, is to promote every artist. But I say, Obiaso can be, I'll let you know here. But you see, sometimes we need to be circumspect on how we attack our artists. Listen, I know, see, Shatta Wale or a different person altogether, he has his flaws. Or you're perfect human being. Nobody's even on this planet that's perfect. It's once or one error, because that is what we have. We do not have so much. That's what we have. But yeah, I know Salman, you are right. So I better takunti say okay, ban them. Mo na creative art you. But I understand. But you need to tone down a little bit and also pardon. Say, too wrong don't make it right. Or with the way you go into MWA, every be cassette be up and down. But it's okay. That's her opinion, and she thinks if she wants you to talk good about you, you need to come and sort her out, and that is to do a priority job for you. Thanks so much. My name is Frank also. Dex is Focus TV. Subscribe, bring in your comment, and don't forget the 13th edition of Focus Media House is coming up in May. The only award scheme that awards card. There's no award scheme that gives out apart from Focus Media House. So when it gets there, vote for your favorite presenter to win the car. We're giving out 4 cars. This year we're adding one, and to be 5 cars in all. Thanks so much. Stay safe and stay at Toto. May the good Lord bless us all. Bye for now.